We all love a good meal in a beautiful kitchen, right? There's something magical about cooking and eating in a space that feels fresh and inviting. Well, a clean kitchen is key to making those delicious meals and enjoying your time in the heart of your home. It's where memories are made and laughter is shared. Think about it. Crumbs attract critters, spills become sticky messes and grease. It can turn your kitchen into a less than pleasant place. Well, grease just loves to hang around. It can be stubborn and hard to remove if left for too long. Cleaning behind and around your appliances is super important. Dust and food particles can accumulate in those hidden spots. It's not just about looks, though a sparkling clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. A clean environment can boost your mood and make cooking more enjoyable. It's about keeping your family healthy and your appliances running smoothly. Regular cleaning can prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria and extend the life of your kitchen gadgets. Nobody wants last week's dinner saying hello from behind the stove, right? Those forgotten crumbs can lead to unpleasant odors and even pests. Plus, a little cleaning goes a long way in preventing bigger problems down the road. Regular maintenance can save you time and money in the long run. Think of it like this. A little elbow grease today saves you from a major headache tomorrow. It's a small investment for a big payoff. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and give your kitchen the cleaning it deserves? Let's get started and make your kitchen the heart of your happy home. Before we get to the nitty-gritty of cleaning, we gotta move some big guys. Today, it's all about Mr. Fridge. This isn't just any ordinary task. It's a mission to uncover those hidden spots that haven't seen the light of day in ages. Don't worry, we're not training for a weightlifting competition, just carefully shifting our appliances to reach those hidden corners. It's all about technique and patience, not brute strength. First things first, safety. Unplug your appliance. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps. Always make sure your hands are dry when handling plugs. You don't want any surprises while you're cleaning. Trust me, the last thing you want is to find out the hard way that something was still plugged in. Next, clear a path. Move any obstacles like chairs or stools out of the way. This will give you ample space to maneuver and prevent any tripping hazards. Now, get a good grip on your appliance. If it has wheels, use them. Wheels can make the job much easier and save your back from unnecessary strain. If not, ask a friend to help you gently slide it forward. Teamwork makes the dream work, and it's always safer to have an extra pair of hands. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. We're going for a clean kitchen, not a pulled muscle. Take your time and be mindful of your movements. Once you've moved your appliance, take a minute to appreciate the hidden world you've uncovered. It's amazing what can accumulate back there over time. Dust bunnies? Crumbs? Let's banish them. Grab your cleaning supplies and get to work. Your kitchen will thank you for it. All right, let's get down to business. Cleaning your kitchen appliances might seem like a daunting task, but with a little effort, you can make them shine like new. Each appliance needs a little love and attention. Here's a quick rundown of how to keep them in top shape. Refrigerator. Start by emptying those veggie drawers. Take everything out so you can clean thoroughly. Give them a good wash with warm, soapy water. Make sure to scrub away any residue or spills. Wipe down shelves and don't forget the inside of the doors. These areas can harbor hidden grime. Oven. Time to tackle those baked-on spills. Remove the racks and give them a good scrub. Most ovens have a self-cleaning function, but you can also use a good oven cleaner. Spray it evenly and let it sit for a while. Remember to ventilate the kitchen while you're cleaning. Open windows to let fresh air in and fumes out. Dishwasher. It might clean dishes, but it needs a bath too. Regular maintenance is key. Remove any food particles from the filter. This helps prevent clogs and keeps your dishwasher running smoothly. Then run an empty cycle with a dishwasher cleaner to get rid of any buildup. This ensures your dishes come out sparkling clean. Stove. Don't forget to clean behind the stove. Move it away from the wall and sweep up any crumbs or debris. Wipe down the wall and floor behind the stove. This area can collect a lot of grease and grime. Microwave. Clean the interior with a damp cloth. Remove the turntable and give it a good scrub. For tough stains, heat a microwave-safe bowl with water and lemon for a few minutes. The steam will loosen any grime. Remember, each appliance is unique. They all have different needs and cleaning methods. Check your manufacturer's instructions for specific cleaning recommendations. Following these guidelines will help extend the life of your appliances. Tools of the trade, your cleaning arsenal. You don't need a fancy cleaning caddy to tackle this job. Here are a few essentials. Microfiber cloths. They're super absorbent and great for wiping down surfaces. Sponges, perfect for scrubbing away stubborn grime. All-purpose cleaner, your go-to for general cleaning. Baking soda, a natural deodorizer and cleaner. White vinegar, cuts through grease and grime like a champ. These are just the basics. There are plenty of other cleaning products out there, but remember, sometimes the simplest solutions work best. Safety first, sparkling clean second. We're almost done. But before you pat yourself on the back, let's talk safety unplug appliances. We said it before and we'll repeat it. Always unplug appliances before cleaning to avoid any electrical mishaps. Gloves up. Protect those hands. Cleaning products can be harsh, so wear gloves to keep your skin safe. Ventilate. Open those windows. Let fresh air circulate, especially when using strong cleaners. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in preventing accidents. Keeping it clean long after the party's over. Congratulations! Your kitchen is sparkling. Now let's keep it that way. Wipe up spills as they happen. Give your appliances a quick wipe down regularly. And don't let those crumbs pile up. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your kitchen clean and inviting. Plus, it'll make your next deep clean a breeze. Happy cleaning, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe and share these tips with a friend. They will love you for it. See you next time!